If we were all given a piece of paper right now and we took a guess at Chick-fil-A's mission, I bet we come damn close. And then I ask, why would we come close? And everybody realize it's because of what we see them do. So I want you to think about like what does purpose look like at a school? Not that it has to be one thing, but here are some examples of when we are purpose driven. Like, what does it look like? What does it look like in terms of expectations? What does it look like in terms of resources? You know, I work with a guy who is so mission focused that every question he was asked as a principal, everything he was asked to buy, purchase, do, he would literally say, I want you to explain to me how it is aligned with our mission. And if it's aligned, we'll consider it. Doesn't mean we're going to say yes, but at least it's right. It's made it to the final, right? It's made it to the playoffs, right? It could be awesome, but if it's not aligned, if it does not serve our mission, then we can't consider it. If it serves our mission, it could make the playoffs, and then we'll decide whether or not we got the bandwidth, the time, the resources to do it.